Hello, my name is Mia, and I am 25 years old. I was born in a very big and famous city called Los Angeles, which is in the state of California in the United States of America. I have lived in Los Angeles my whole life, and I feel very proud to call it my home. Los Angeles is a beautiful place that many people from all over the world know about. It is a city where the sun shines almost every day, and the sky is often blue and clear. The weather here is warm and pleasant, and that is one of the reasons I love living here so much. In Los Angeles, there are many neighborhoods, and each one is a little different. Some areas are very busy, with tall buildings, bright lights, and lots of cars and people. Other places are quiet, peaceful, and full of trees, parks, and small houses. I live in a calm neighborhood where people say hello when they see each other, and the streets are safe and clean. Every morning, I hear birds singing outside my window. Children go to school with their backpacks, and parents go to work. It feels like a warm and friendly community, and I enjoy being part of it. One of the best things about Los Angeles is the beach, and I love going there. My favorite beaches are Santa Monica and Venice Beach, which are always full of life and color. I like to walk on the soft, warm sand with my bare feet and listen to the sound of the ocean waves. Sometimes I sit near the water and watch people surfing, swimming, or just playing with their children. When the sun starts to go down, I always stop and look at the sky. The colors change slowly from yellow to orange, pink, and purple, and it feels like a beautiful painting. Watching the sunset at the beach makes me feel calm and happy inside. Another thing I love about Los Angeles is the amazing food. Because people from many countries live here, you can find food from all around the world. There are Mexican restaurants, Chinese restaurants, Indian restaurants, Italian restaurants, and many more. My favorite food is tacos, and in Los Angeles, you can find the best tacos on every street. I like to eat beef tacos with cheese, spicy salsa, and a little lime on top. Sometimes I try food from different cultures because I enjoy learning about the world through food. Los Angeles has some of the best weather in the world. It is sunny most of the time, and even in the winter, it does not get very cold. In the summer, it can be hot, but I like wearing light clothes and drinking cold juice to stay cool. The weather is nice almost every day. I can go outside whenever I want. I can go for a walk, ride a bicycle, or sit in the park and read a book. I think the sunshine makes people feel more cheerful and full of energy. Los Angeles has many exciting places to visit, and there is always something fun to do. One of the most popular places is Disneyland, which is a big amusement park near the city. When I was a little girl, my parents took me there, and I still remember the rides, the music, and the smiling characters. Another place I like is Griffith Park, which is very big and has many trees, walking trails, and animals. At the top of the hill, there is a building called the Griffith Observatory, where you can look at the stars and planets through a big telescope. Night. The view of the whole city from there is amazing, with all the lights shining like stars. One special thing about Los Angeles is that people from many different countries live here. I have friends whose families are from Mexico, China, Korea, India, and many other places. We talk about our traditions, our holidays, and the languages we speak at home. Sometimes we cook food for each other or listen to music from different cultures. Living in a city with so many kinds of people helps me understand the world better. It teaches me that we are different, but also the same in many ways. Los Angeles is also famous for being the home of Hollywood, where many movies are made. There is a big white sign on the hill that says Hollywood, and many tourists come just to take pictures of it. Many actors, singers, and famous people live in this city. I have never seen a celebrity in real life, but maybe one day I will. Sometimes I pass by big movie studios when I go downtown. It feels exciting to think that a movie I watched was filmed just a few blocks away. In Los Angeles, life is never boring because there are so many things to do. You can go to the beach, visit museums, hike in the mountains, or go shopping at big malls. If you like sports, you can watch a basketball game by the Los Angeles Lakers or a baseball game with the Dodgers. When I want some quiet time, I go to the library and read books. Or I sit in a coffee shop, drink tea, and write in my journal. Whether I want fun or peace, this city has something for me. One thing that many people do not like about Los Angeles is the traffic. There are many cars on the road, and it sometimes takes a long time to go from one place to another. But I try not to get angry or upset. I turn on the radio and listen to music or podcasts while I wait. Sometimes I even sing along with the songs, and that makes me feel better. Even though Los Angeles is warm and sunny, there are snowy mountains nearby. In winter, you can drive to Big Bear or other mountain places and see snow. I love going there with my friends to play in the snow or go skiing. It is funny how I can see snow in the morning and be back in the sunshine by afternoon. Los Angeles really has everything: beaches, mountains, and warm weather. Los Angeles also has many fun festivals during the year. There are music festivals, food festivals, art festivals, and more. One time, I went to a street festival with dancing, music, and delicious food from different countries. Everyone was happy, and it felt like the whole city was celebrating together. These events help people come together and enjoy life. Living in Los Angeles is a gift, and I feel lucky every day. There are sunny days, friendly people, tasty food, and new things to learn. Even with the busy traffic, I would not want to live anywhere else. Los Angeles is not just a city. It is my home, my past, and my future. Wherever I go in life, I will always carry Los Angeles in my heart.